Qysea Technology launches groundbreaking and intelligent underwater technology, AI diver tracking. By combining Qysea's AI underwater image filtering algorithms with its proprietary underwater visual recognition technology, the Fifish achieves precise underwater tracking of subjects and the movement posture of divers within its screen. As the world's first and only application of its kind for underwater robots, AI diver tracking serves as a guarantee for diver safety, providing real-time monitoring from the shore, acting as a capable and trusty diving companion. Introduction to basic features. Qysea Technology's AI diver tracking feature enables precise tracking of divers from various angles and postures, offering both single-person and multi-person modes. In single-person mode, the ROV is positioned behind the diver, enabling lock and follow tracking. When the Fifish ROV is in front of the diver, it pilots the navigation for the diving. When the Fifish ROV is on the side of the diver, it facilitates side view tracking. When the Fifish ROV is positioned below the diver, it accomplishes view up tracking. When the Fifish ROV is positioned above the diver, it achieves view down tracking. During a diver's descent, the Fifish ROV can accomplish descent tracking. During a diver's ascent, the Fifish ROV can achieve ascent tracking. With multi-person tracking, the Fifish ROV keeps multiple divers in frame for stable underwater monitoring during team communication or stationary work. As the diving team disperses, the ROV moves backward to maintain the divers within the frame. In simultaneous diving scenarios, the ROV offers versatile tracking options. It can lock and follow from behind, lead and follow from the front, or follow from the side. It effortlessly locks onto any angle or posture, ensuring stable tracking. Industry Application Showcase. Qysea Technology's AI diver tracking feature is a life-saving technology tailored for divers, playing a crucial role in various underwater scenarios. In underwater engineering operations, the AI diver tracking feature maintains side tracking, following the diver closely. It allows real-time monitoring of underwater measurements and ensures life safety in complex underwater environments. For underwater ecological conservation, the AI diver tracking feature locks onto multiple divers, stably following their movements, facilitating smooth underwater marine debris cleanup operations. In underwater emergency rescue, the AI diver tracking feature closely follows rescue personnel, continually assessing search and rescue situations and synchronously relaying underwater rescue information to the shore. In coral planting and other sustainability initiatives, the AI diver tracking feature ensures comprehensive monitoring of divers' operations. This not only ensures diver safety, but also allows for live broadcasting of campaigns. During leisure and recreational diving, the versatile AI diver tracking feature follows in various postures and angles, turning the ROV into your loyal diving companion, capturing every thrilling underwater moment. Qysea Technology's AI diver tracking, ensuring safety in every dive.